Yes, my question is that normally I just came back from the US, and normally I would start getting ready for work. But obviously, I don't have any work right now. So, well, it's on hold.
Yeah.
So I was wondering if my guides could suggest an essential thing for me to do in the meantime, because I have more time than I thought I would have.
So for Christine, what would you suggest would be the best use of this extra time she's discovered? Oh, of course, meditate, Christine, because that's going to help you open up and connect. And
Okay.
I'm seeing you like your chest, your heart chakra just expanding as you're breathing. It's like you've got these massive lungs, almost like gills, and you're just breathing and you're bringing it all in, and it's inspiration. It's not just oxygen. So there you are, you're in that moment where you've got the space to do it. Allow that all to download, and then take what you've downloaded and sift through it. Find the sparkling gems, the things that make you salivate. They're so delicious that you can't wait to do them. And then make your plan. What do you want to do first? Because they're going to be giving you lots of downloads. That's your opportunity in this time.
Okay. Well, that's cool.
Yeah.
I'll be busy. It looks like I'll be busy because I was thinking, a friend called me yesterday and said, have you started the meditation yet? And I said, oh, when was that? I missed it because I was traveling. So she sent me the email back, and I said, okay, I'll start Monday. So there you go.
Yeah. So I don't know, I think it was in one of the recent emails I sent you, there was a link to a podcast where I did a meditation for all of you. If you didn't get that, send me an email and I'll send you a link to it. It was called The Good Karma Show. And if Melinda's still here, she can maybe pop the link in. That meditation, you guys, you have to do that meditation. You, in this process, there's a few things that happen, but you end up your infant self cradled in the arms of God, looking up into the eyes of God, seeing your life reflected. It is the most phenomenal thing I've ever experienced. And you guys all need to experience that. It's just so massive. That, I think, will help you as you're in this new space of shifting. That will help you with your ascension. It will give you more confidence, more trust, more love for yourself.
Sure.
So highly, highly recommend that.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah. And after that, Christine, you already know how to do this. So just allow it to expand and flow and see what comes.
Yes.
Let it excite you and entice you, and just have a wonderful time with it.
Yes. I just feel the time is essential. So obviously I have plenty to do, and I don't need really suggestions, but I don't want to be wasting time. It feels like time
You
is
see,
very precious right
yeah, but
now.
that's the self-judgment, right? If you are each day choosing those things that bring you joy, you're doing exactly what your soul wants to do.
Okay.
So no judgment about that. Just keep always choosing, like when you have a bag of potatoes, always choose the largest potato, because now you've got the very best. So give yourself permission to choose the very best in every moment and every day.
Sure.
Yeah, because you deserve that.
Thank you.
You're
We
welcome.
all do.
Yes, we do. Divine's been trying to tell us that forever, but we're just kind of slow learners sometimes.